Hello guys. Hello guys. Good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you how to use short formula in Excel. You know guys how to use short formula in Excel. Just click any cell, just click and right press and short option click. You can see guys, and small to large, just click and you can see a small to large every cell you can see. And how to use large to small, just click any cell, right press and shorts and just click large to small. You can see guys, large to small, you can see guys.